Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify WhatsApp business notifications with Meta Business Suite, full guide step by step clearly. To verify WhatsApp business notifications using Meta Business Suite, first, open your Meta Business Suite application. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the Inbox section on the left-hand side menu. Select the WhatsApp tab within the inbox. If prompted, link your WhatsApp business account to the Meta Business Suite. You will need to enter your WhatsApp business phone number. Follow the on-screen instructions to receive a verification code via SMS. Enter the verification code into the provided field and confirm. Once verified, navigate to the Settings section in the Meta Business Suite. Look for the Notifications option in the Settings menu. Ensure that notifications for WhatsApp messages are enabled. You can customize your notification preferences based on your business needs. Save the changes to ensure they take effect. Next, test the setup by sending a message to your WhatsApp business number. Check if the message is visible in the Meta Business Suite inbox. If you receive the notification, your setup is successfully verified. For any issues, revisit the settings and ensure everything is configured correctly. With these steps completed, you will effectively verify WhatsApp business notifications using Meta Business Suite. You are now ready to handle communications seamlessly through the platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.